To insert a SIM card into the POCO X8 Pro, first of all you will have to prepare the SIM ejection tool, or you can use paper clip if you don't have one. And here we can find this small dot. We have to align this SIM ejection tool or paper clip inside and gently press like this. Now we can release this tool and use, for example, your fingernails to take it off. And right now when you take a look on the slot, we can find two places for a SIM card. So for me, I'm gonna put it like so, and we have to put this cutout into this cutout part, just like this. Now we have to press, and this is the properly installed card in the slot. And if we want to put it back, you have to align this dot with this one, so it looks just like this. Take a look. Now we have to push it with our finger, and it's finished.